This hive right here has decided to swarm today. If you can see the bees, they're all everywhere. Now we got to see where the queen goes and where they're going to cluster. And when they do, we'll get them a new home. I just hope it's not too high up in those trees up there. Bees are still pouring out, but we're waiting to see where they're going to cluster. But as you can see, if you can see them, they're all going up that way. So hopefully it's not too far. It's wherever the queen decides to land, then they'll all cluster around the queen.